Hi, I'm Dr. Michael Henry, founder of TexStar Chiropractic. Our mission at TexStar is to make sure that you have an exceptional patient experience, so we want to show you around a little bit so you can see what to expect.
From the moment you walk through our doors, you will be greeted by our friendly and knowledgeable staff who are always ready to help. During your first visit, your doctor will sit down with you to discuss your condition, answer any questions or concerns you may have, and get a clear idea of your individual healthcare goals. If we are confident we can help your condition, your doctor will conduct a detailed physical exam, focused on finding exactly what's causing your symptoms and identifying any underlying issues that may be contributing to your pain. Your exam may include a manual evaluation of the joints around the affected area, orthopedic and neurologic tests, digital posture and movement screenings, as well as X-rays or other tests if necessary. Getting you out of pain fast is our first priority, so on your initial visit, we will usually offer treatment options focused on immediate relief of your symptoms. In addition to traditional chiropractic care, we offer many state-of-the-art treatment options in our office that get amazing results, such as the patented MLS cold laser therapy, liquid CO2-powered spot cryotherapy, and spinal decompression. At the end of your first visit, we will schedule a review session between you and your doctor to go over your exam findings, your diagnosis, and the treatment recommendations that will help you reach your personalized treatment goals the fastest. Through this process, which we call the complete care approach, we are able to achieve fast relief and lasting results in the large majority of cases.